according to Cathie Woods. All Ripple holders will be wealthy by 2022. Cathie, what did you say about Ripples? Are you looking for Ripple forecasts? Are you seeking for a clue as to whether Ripple has a future or not? So, if you're interested in learning more, keep watching this video to learn more. And don't miss out on a fantastic chance to win a giveaway of 25 XRP tokens at the end of the month. Hello everyone, and welcome back to XRP Daily, your one-stop shop for all things XRP, cryptocurrency, and XRP. We'll discuss about XRP in today's video, so be focused since you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and enable post alerts by pressing the bell, so you don't miss a single one of our uploads. And you can also participate in our sweepstakes. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's get into our topic for today. Cathie Wood has joined the list of Wall Street players hopeful that U.S. authorities will soon approve a Bitcoin ETF, the Xrp-21 Shares Bitcoin Futures Strategy. ETF, ticker ARCA, plans to invest in Bitcoin futures contracts that trade on commodity exchanges. According to a recent filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission, Alpha Architect, a white label issuer of ETFs, submitted the filing, while 21 Shares LLC, a subsidiary of Zug, Switzerland-based 21 Shares, submitted the filing. Arch Investment Management has agreed to offer marketing support for the suburb, and AIG is identified as a sub-advisor. Issuers of exchange-traded funds have been scrambling to file applications for funds that follow Bitcoin futures, following SEC Chairman Gary Gensler's remark that he would be more willing to approve one filed under the Investment Company Act of 1940, which provides better investor protection. We were considering 9 Bitcoin futures and ETF applications at the beginning of the month. According to Bloomberg Intelligence, Wood's previous linter firm's name was changed to Xrp-21 Shares Bitcoin ETF, ticker ARCB, according to a June filing, which would track the performance of the world's largest cryptocurrency as assessed by the S&P Bitcoin Index. However, from the first effort to launch a Bitcoin ETF in 2013, the Securities and Exchange Commission has refused to allow a fund that physically owns the Bitcoin, citing fraud concerns. Manipulate. 2. Bitcoin futures, on the other hand, are more popular since they are regulated by the Chicago Mercantile Exchange and require investors to put money down on margin to trade. Investors in CME micro Bitcoin futures, for example, must put up a minimum of 35% of the future contracts, according to Bloomberg Intelligence analyst Eric Balchunas. It is a no-brainer for ARC because they will likely be able to see it instantaneously with approximately half of the billion they presently have in GBTC. Bitcoin, you have my trust. It's beneficial to have that kind of start, especially if they're in the 7th or 8th grade. One approved ARC has a large number of younger investors who would most likely use it as well, as you'll see in our exposes. The person who declined to comment on the case was the closest thing to a surefire tip, after personally investing in Ammon Holdings, which owns 21 Shares. Woods joined the board of directors in May. Although 21 Shares isn't well known in the United States, its crypto market, tradable items, and tracking of anything from Bitcoin to Ripples and polka dots have earned it acclaim in Europe. Moving on, Ripple is one of the most well-known brands in the industry, but its recent performance has disappointed. Some investors are baffled by Ripple XRP, a cryptocurrency. Continue reading to learn about some of the top cryptocurrency price forecasts for XRP from 2021 to 2025. The years 2021 to 2025 were among the most tumultuous in the cryptocurrency market's history. With the rapid inflation tendency resurfacing, we had an exceptional bull market in 2017 and 2018. Many crypto investors are understandably concerned. However, we'll see a replay of the market-wide fall that followed, and the market currently appears to be on the upswing, despite the fact that the price of Ripple has never reached the dizzying heights of Bitcoin, which had $64,863.10 each token in April 2021. The action we saw earlier this year is just the beginning. In the 8 years since it was first created, it has nevertheless seen some significant variations. One of the most important tasks to take is to examine historical performance. Let's have a look at how the price of Ripple XRP has evolved in the last few days if you're seeking for the best crypto to invest in. On August 4, 2013, Ripple XRP was originally listed on a cryptocurrency market. Its price stayed generally stable at 1 penny till 2017. The cryptocurrency industry had a banner year in 2018. By the year 2000, the price of Bitcoin had risen by 2,000%. The Ripple, on the other hand, increased by 36,000% to reach a peak of $384 in January of this year. The price forecasts from the investing analysis platform are bleak, however. They appear to expect that the price of XRP would rise in the final months of 2021, with estimates of $55 by November. This, according to the economic forecasting firm, is a serious possibility. While this means that the price of XRP may fall by the end of 2021, it also suggests that it will be in much better form for a future bull run. The Economic Projection Service predicts Ripple to end the year at $22 based on its technical analysis, when compared to Ripple's yearly low in 2020, which was just over 10 cents. The platform estimates the greatest price Ripple will achieve in the next months is $55, which it expects to see at some point in November. This appears to be a fantastic opportunity. Wallet investors, on the other hand, are more positive about Ripple XRP's short-term prospects. It does not believe that XRP will ever reach the value of $1. Rebelde is expected to increase in value for the rest of the year and retain that value by December 2020, with likely price ranges of $0.129 and $0.71 in 2021. The price of Ripple could likely rise by the end of December. The asset may be valued anywhere from $2 to $3 depending on how you look at it. However, most reasonable price analysts seem to agree that by the end of 2021, the price will be hanging around $2 with a steady increasing trend projected for the final months of the year. Short-term cryptocurrency projections aren't very concerning if you're considering investing in Ripple XRP. If the bull market of 2018 was repeated in 2021, the market crash of 2018-9 may be mirrored in 2022. So, what do you believe will happen to the price of Ripple XRP? According to a top cryptocurrency platform, the economic forecasting body did not give the most positive projection for 2021 over the next 4 years, and its outlook only worsens in the law. The platform predicts that the price of Ripple will remain stable in 2022, fluctuating between a low of $21 and a high of $89. Implying that it would lose its current momentum in 2023. It appears that XRP's price will continue to fall between 2024 and 2020, with lower lows and somewhat lower highs ranging from 89 cents to $1.81 and completing the year at $1.06. The asset might plummet to a low of roughly 48 cents if the Economic Forecasting Agency is correct, 32 cents by the end of 2024. The XRP price is expected to cross $2.50 by 2025. According to the 2022 Ripple estimate, the expected high for 2022 might be approximately $2.70 towards the end of the year. On the downside, the bottom point might be around $30. Several of the top price forecasts for 2022 see Ripple hitting $2.42, implying that it is achievable elsewhere. Experts that are more enthusiastic predict that prices will soar above $3 or even $5. Is now a good time to invest in XRP? Yes. It could be a fantastic moment to buy XRP because it is on the rise and most price estimates predict that it will continue to rise. Many of you, I'm sure, hold XRP as a long-term investment because it lacks the volatility of other cryptos, making short-term profit more difficult. Investing in XRP, on the other hand, has the potential to make you wealthy. Most investors consider XRP to be a long-term investment if you properly assess your risk and collect profits when the time comes. If you're looking for a coin that will help you make rapid money in 2021, Ripple XRP isn't your best pick, since the token's value is expected to decline before rising. If you add XRP to your portfolio in 2021 with the intention of holding it for the following 5 years, it could be a good investment. That's all we've got for you today. Fellas, what are your thoughts on this? How do you feel about XRP? Will you put money into XRP? Participate in the discussion and let us know what you think in the space below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss any future videos, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification under this video. You can watch our other movies about XRP or other cryptocurrencies from the next time we upload a video on the latest XRP and cryptocurrency news till the next video is released. Thank you for taking the time to watch. In the following video, we'll see you again. Goodbye.